Hey everyone, welcome back to Toko's Reviews. Today we're going to talk about lighting. Why lighting is very important, especially when you're doing like reviews, vlogging, streaming, photos, or whatever you're doing with lighting. It's very important because I'm going to be honest, guys, with my previous videos, you guys noticed some of those videos suck because of the lighting contrast and the effect in the background because of the light. The quality wasn't that good. Even some of my videos in 4K and also 1080p wasn't that great. So, because, I was pretty much using stuff like this, right? This is my Milwaukee, so I was using stuff like this. And I know some of you guys are doing this because, these ring lights and lights can be very expensive. Like something like this that I bought from Mike's Photos. I mean, look at the contrast of this thing, at the type of light that you will get from it, right? So it is kind of cool. It does have different type of light effect that you can choose from in the presets. But it's stuff like that I was using, and the problem is that I wasn't getting a good quality of light. So the cameras or my iPhone that I was using, it wasn't picking up the background pretty clear. So there was a lot of grainy images, not just in picture, but also my reviews. So I'm making this video to help someone out there that needs something like this. And the reason why I'm doing it because I had a guy that actually got on me and told me, bro, your video is cool, but your light background effect sucks, because he said you need to get a light tube. And I was like, what? A light tube? But as a reviewer, we must take these comments seriously, and I did. So I went ahead and went to Bestbuy and bought one of these. But when I got there a week ago, it was actually $249, and I waited. One of the guys there told me just to wait, it could be in a week or two. So I waited about a week, and finally I looked up, I got the notification, the alert notification of when I was watching this, if the price dropped, came up, and I went, it was 149 bucks. So guys, go out and get you the Sunpack Premium Series. What's good about this, and this was his recommendation, because it comes with a wireless microphone device, which is called a Boya. And this Sunpack Premium Series is good. It's 18-inch, and the color ring light kit is just amazing. So we're definitely going to jump into the review. We're going to check this out, and if you guys like content like this, hit that like button. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Definitely appreciate it. Any comments or any questions, drop it down below, and I will get right back to you. So as for now, let's jump into the unboxing. Oh yeah, it comes with paper. Okay, it comes with that bad boy there. And there's another thing here that I'm going to take out for you guys. So it comes with that. Okay, so this pretty much looks like the tripod. All right, cool. That's the tripod. All right, guys. So this is the Boya wireless microphone that comes with the actual Sunpack series. This is not bad. This is a plus to me, because now you can use this wireless capable device on your phone or your DSLR camera or your mirrorless camera, whatever camera you have or camcorder. This should work. So here's a bag here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour this out so we can see what's in there. All right, so I see a few cool things here. These looks like okay, these are mounts for actual phones, and I think there's different sizes. No, they're actually the same size. So you can pretty much mount a GoPro, a phone, or whatever you're trying to do. Wow, so this is a plus. There's 3 here, and it seems like you can mount this on your shoe if you have a mount for that, so you can hook up your phone. I don't know why you would have this like that, but like long up there on your shoe. But I'm just saying, this gives you that kind of option. It gives you 3, and then this is for something else. This is a bigger mount for your mobile device, and here's that little camera wireless device I was talking about that you can sync to your phone or your actual cameras to take pictures or video from a distance just by clicking on those buttons. The other thing is the mount. This is for like smaller camera or whatever you're using. You can mount this on the actual light ring, and oh wow, look at this. This is for bigger cameras, I assume, and you can mount this in the middle of the ring. And I assume this is the charger. Okay. I would expect this, because okay, this is kind of interesting, because I'm kind of noticing here, if this goes up, you would need this to be a little bit longer. So maybe Sunpack can give a longer cord as far as their power brick. And we're just going to jump right in now to the actual ring light. So this is what it is. So my first impression of, okay, put this down here, messing with this is that it looks cool, and it feels flimsy, like plasticky, but it feels, it's like a ring light, right? So yeah, so in the back here, it has a USB 5 volt to 2 amps, and the DC, as you can see there, has a DC. Then over here you have different controller. This is for the light to make it brighter, and then this is for the illumination, or like the contrast to make things pop or make it dull or more warmer color. So it'll be right here. And you know, it feels flimsy, but for some reason the plastic overall does feel very good. And I also do notice, which is a plus for lights, especially tube lights like this, there's vents here so the light doesn't get overheated, so this will last a little bit longer. And you also got the mount here, guys. I don't know if you can see that. There's a mount right here that you can mount these tripods on, which is pretty cool, including your camera, which I'm going to be doing in a little bit. Right now, we're going to jump into the Boya wireless device. Okay, just open that up. Kind of ripped the box there. What's in here? Okay, throw that back in there. We're going to definitely check this one out, right? So this is the wireless device. This is the bonus that I think that's very important. And this is one of the reasons why I took it, because, you know, for 150 bucks, this is not bad at all. So, and it comes with the instruction booklet. It comes with the instruction booklet, including the warranty. You got to register this. And also it comes with a mount right here for the actual wireless device. And I guess both of these are different. So there's one here on the left side that you use for mic input right here. And it also has a line in. And then right here it has a line out, and also a headset that you can listen to, plug it. This is what goes to your camera or to your iPhone or whatever device you're going to use. Okay. And then right here you have the different wires. I did notice right now, just looking at this, there's two different wires. I assume this one would be for your cameras, and then this one will be for your phone, because of the, you notice that the splits, or this is 2, and then this has 3 splits. So this is definitely for your phone. I know that for a fact. And then this is your mic that goes to your thing, and you got that little foam there that goes on it to prevent it from losing like different quality sounds that you get instead of just going straight. That little foam right there will definitely help you out, so you don't get any bad sound coming through. And we're going to do the tripod, or the light. I wouldn't call this a tripod. This would be like, what, a light stand or something? Probably right there would be good, right? Get that wide so it doesn't fall on anyone's head, right? Safety is always #1, guys. Always. And right after this, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and actually turn off the light in this living room, and also close the curtain and close the door. Now I'm going to bring it up to the brightest color, and I'm going to turn on the illumination. So right now it's at half warm, and it's warm-ness. So you kind of notice the background kind of changing. Okay, so we're going to keep that at its coolest, and I'm going to turn this up a little bit, the brightness. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here so I can show you guys why I think that this light is a good light, because you guys noticed the contrast of my t-shirt, that it's not bright. All right, guys, just before I wrap it up, I just wanted to say this. I wanted to thank the viewer that gave me that comment and also advice about my video quality. And you know, at first I was like, what? But then at the same time, I heed his advice. Thank you very much. I would mention your name, but I would like to keep you anonymous. Instead of using this for a year and this for about 4 months, I was using both of them. And you can see that right there, it doesn't look that well. This ring light here from Sunpack with the Boya wireless mic device does stick out even more better. You can see the illumination, you can see the light is more natural. My skin tone on my skin looks better, the background looks better, and you can see my entire future. And I hope this video will reach someone that's looking to for better video quality in the background. Guys, I should have upgraded a year ago. This ring light thing is the best, and I'm happy you guys can see the different results. And yeah, so until our and like always, guys, all fathers from Douglas Reviews. Peace.